The Little Seed. Liam was a young boy who loved spending time in his garden. Every morning, he helped his mother water the plants. He loved seeing the flowers grow and watching the butterflies fly around the garden. One morning, Liam found a small seed on the ground. He picked it up and showed it to his mother. "Can I plant this seed?" Liam asked. "Yes," his mother said. "Take care of it every day and be patient." Liam dug a small hole in the soil. He placed the seed inside and covered it with soil. Then he gave it some water. The next morning, Liam ran to the garden. He looked at the soil, but he could not see anything. "Maybe the seed will grow tomorrow," he said. The next day, Liam checked the seed again. There was still no plant. He began to feel sad. His mother smiled and said, "Do not worry, Liam, some things need time to grow." Liam listened to his mother. Every morning, he watered the seed and made sure the soil was not too dry. He never forgot to take care of it. After several days, Liam saw something green coming out of the soil. "Mom, come and look," he shouted happily. His mother came to the garden. They saw a tiny green leaf growing from the soil. Liam was very happy. He continued taking care of the little plant. As the days passed, the plant grew bigger and stronger. Liam learned an important lesson. He learned that good things do not always happen quickly. Sometimes we need to be patient, work hard, and never give up.